Hello to you all jewelry maker guys. Welcome to this tutorial of making a wire ear cuff. By the way, this is the ring that we have the tutorial with a 3-prong in last tutorial and with a back ring, and also this bracelet that we had with ceramic bead in here and also the joints. If you have any questions about making these pieces and if you want to know about the tutorial, please comment for me below. For this tutorial, all we need is our 3 main tools: chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, wire cutter, of course your wire of about 0.8 millimeter in diameter, and that's all. First, we need to determine the map and drawing lines that we are going to make, and this design is all about swirls and curves, just like this. So little by little we are going to make this pattern with our 0.8 wire and round nose pliers. So we start making a loop here to have a P-shaped form, just like this, and then we keep it tight, and with your thumb you push it, and then gradually you would turn it back to have another loop here, but in a bigger size. And now you just move it slowly here, put your round nose pliers and push it a little tight to achieve a smaller loop in here. And now rotate it back and push it with your index finger this time. And at this time, I'm following the lines that I had drawn here, so I would continue and pushing the spar a little. Let's check it out. I need to continue this swirl with my round nose pliers, and somewhere at the middle I need to have a little loop here. So keep it with your round nose pliers and wrap the wire all around, just like this. And now again you would roll it back and continue to make the swirls as the map, and you could just have a picture, a screenshot of this design or any other kind of designs that you draw on the paper, and you pursue the lines. The process is just the same. You just look at it, and every time that you need, you make a swirl and loop shapes, just like this. And whenever is needed, just rotate and make another one. When you have done about half of this pattern, this is the time to make a complete bend and make 2 other 90-degree bends, and again continue to roll and continue weaving the wire. So with your chain nose pliers, keep it tight and roll it back and push it tight with chain nose pliers. Just squeeze it tight. And here we need to make another bend that is a 90-degree bend and about 2 centimeters. And of course, it depends on the size of ear that you are going to make this very beautiful wire ear cuff. And again, another 90-degree bend and a complete wire wrap and squeeze it. And here we are going to continue these swirls. At this point, you might wonder how to make these swirls that you have multiple loops inside. When you had made your first loop, you just roll the wire and wrap it all around, just like when you are making a loop. Just it would be a little smaller, and then you would continue doing this. To have something like a closed swirl. And this time we start bigger loop and we continue rolling it to achieve the smallest loop. And here we are going to achieve there, and the shape would be ended. Just cut the end and close it with your round nose pliers, and by making a little loop here. It's almost done, our beautiful wire ear cuff. But another step, this part should be bent to be attached onto the ear. And that would be the way that we are going to put it on our ear. Something like this. I think it's so beautiful. What do you think? Would you make one for yourself or another? Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. Comment for me. Take care and bye-bye.